Man, we out here. I don't know if y'all remember this building, but we out here, man, with my dog. Uh-oh, find a hole. Right here with my dog, man. Had to get this little footage, man, exclusive. I wonder, can y'all tell who car this is by the sound of it? Had to let y'all see that in a minute, man. But anyway, man, we got my dog out here, man, with me. Y'all know what that is, man. He drives a Mustang. Don't worry about him. We ain't gonna worry about him.
I drive a chevyboi.
Oh, yeah, but we ain't got, hey, they don't know that yet, though, because we ain't got no footage of it. I ain't even seen it. So, yeah. It's been going on like that, man. So, hey, man, I'm gonna keep bringing y'all this exclusive, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, I need y'all to go ahead, man. Follow the lingo, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Well, consider subscribing. Please like, and I want you to comment, man. But anyway, it's probably gonna be a part 2 video. Well, I ain't gonna say part 2, but I don't know how it's gonna be. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all this right here first, man.
Yes, sir.
Nah, I ain't gonna be able to show y'all first. Nah, I'm gonna have to come on in here, man. I'm gonna have to come on in here. What else we got going on over here? Light them up.
You said what?
Light them up.
Light them up. Spin them motherfuckers on.
Them motherfuckers ain't gonna spend no motherfucking time. But anyway, show y'all this old thing out here, man. My dog's on. I don't think he gonna leave it like this. I'm pretty sure he ain't gonna leave it like this. Old Malibu. Got the more slicks on now. Got tapes in there. Who is that? Robert Plant. Now and Zen. I don't know what he got going on with that, but yeah, man, it's my dog car. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's going on right quick. Had to bring my dog car out here, man, to get that thing tuned, man.
This my flashlight.
Y'all know, y'all recognize that voice? Y'all recognize that voice? Probably not. But anyway.
Shit, like you been beating yours up like I be beating mine up though.
My
Yours.
don't leave with two.
Don't leave without one. That's the game of the game. Don't leave without one.
Had to bring this.
Get the rest.
Had to bring this thing back out here, man, again.
Man, yeah.
I'm getting my footage. You don't want me to show up on the hood, dude?
Nah, that's that new. What's that new motor? It costs $30,000.
What was it? ZZ34?
That new
The new big block, yeah. What is it? ZZ 30 flow?
pretty cool.
It is. I'm talking about like
Just to be able to open a catalog and be like,
I want it. 30,000.
you know, most of those.
Yeah, man. So we finna, y'all see what that is. Y'all see what's going on. Put the thing on the dyno. Put it on the dyno. But I'll let y'all, I'm gonna let them have, I'm gonna show y'all this out here right quick. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all this, man. My dog Memphis Mike, man, made a couple moves. So, got him old 2500, man. 2500, man. Got him old work rig. Thing clean, man. It's on fresh painted. Dirty already. Fresh painted though. More 26-inch fuse on that thing. Big old brakes. Y'all see them big brakes back there? Yes, sir. Nice work rig, man. Nice work rig. 2500. Thing clean though. Thing clean. Now he can stop stressing out the other truck, towing that car, man. It's a good look for my dog though, man. You gotta put his wash car back on. Like I said, it's freshly painted. I don't think it's been painted shit a week yet. 2 weeks, I don't think. Mustang. But yeah, I ain't gonna go all through the inside. I don't know if you want me to go all through the inside of it, but Chevy 2500, man. Probably gonna be for sale out the way out anyway. Knowing him. Man don't keep nothing. But yeah, man, let's go back in here, man, see what these folk got going on, man, with this old dyno, man. Cross yours too, ugly motherfucker.
I don't need no finger crop. I know she gonna pay it. I got the best motherfucker tune on this side of the lane, nigga.
Bitch got a C average.
Can I not be the other side of the lane too?
The other side. I said this side of the lane.
I want to be the whole lane.
Shit, this side of the land mean United States. Shit. Ain't no between us.
Trying to be like Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide.
C average ass car.
Yours is definitely a C average. Seeing it's not even old school.
Yeah, mine ain't old school.
It definitely ain't.
It's cool though.
90 nothing. That's not old school.
It's cool. It's all right.
Yep.
What's up, E?
What is that?
What's up, dog?
What up, man?
Oh.
What's up, man?
Huh?
Hey, pretty. Hey, pretty baby.
I don't know. I guess yeah.
I don't usually kiss on the first date, honey.
I can't hear you, mama.
Name of this video gonna be Memphis Mike has the loudest turbos ever.
Huh?
Not moving.
Hold on. Let me see if I can put you on speakerphone. Hold on.
Do the fan need to be on? Okay. That regular motherfucker don't need to warm up. Send it! Send that motherfucker. Hey, send it! What'd you say, Kay?
I didn't say anything.
You wanna let your tops up so it get a few more horsepower?
Hell no. Get more horsepower when you get out of the hill.
Probably would. He need to have one of those banners on the wall. You seen that? Did you see that shit on Instagram?
What?
When they had that car in the dyno and it blew out all the banners.
Still ain't put it full through, battle back up there.
You gotta put your banners up for us so you can blow that shit out the wall.
Right now, when it's windy, it's going to fall off the wall.
Exactly. Go.
Don't do me like this.
Hey, man. That's like, hey, don't nobody want me on the camera. Be like, hey, man. Hey, felons.